today I'm going to be showing you how to make the classic fruit tart or fruit pizza. I'm so excited to share this with you because it is so good and so easy. So here's what you'll need. So for the actual pie, you're gonna need 1 batch of my all butter pie dough, and I just have it right here. You're gonna need about 3 cups of chopped strawberries, and they are just chopped into smaller bite-sized pieces. Those look so yummy, I'm so excited. And about 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries. Then for the filling, you're gonna need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, a stick of butter, 2 cups powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. They're all mixed in together. 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This lemon juice really helps bring out all the fruit flavors. And then to top it off, we have a glaze. And so you need 1/4 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and 4 ounces of apple juice. So the first thing that we're gonna do is get a 10-inch pie dish or tart pan, just one that has like the removable bottom. You can even use a sheet pan, and we just want to spray it. Perfect. And then with our pie dough, we just want to kind of flatten it out and then just push it into the dish. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of use my fingers to push it out. I'm going to go ahead and roll it because this will help it. You want it to be pretty large so that it will be able to go all around the edges and make the perfect crimped edges for the pie or for the tart. All right, now that it is perfect size for it, we're just going to use our rolling pin and roll it up and lay it perfectly over the edge, just like that. And then you can get rid of all of the excess that's like hanging off the sides. Okay, so it's all pushed in and it looks perfect in there, and we're gonna slide it into the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Pie dough is done baking and it is cooling for 15 minutes. And some of it did fall down, but that is perfectly okay. It just makes it look a little bit more homemade because it's all gonna stay here anyway, and it will be delicious no matter what. We're gonna go ahead and make the filling. So I have the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1 stick of butter. Then we're gonna add in the 2 cups of powdered sugar and the vanilla, milk, and lemon juice. And just mix that on low so that it doesn't fly out. Alright, so our mixture is done and it is perfectly smooth. So we're going to go ahead and just get this out of the mixer, and we're going to just spoon it on to the dough. So we're adding the last bit of it, and it was a lot for this, but we don't want to miss any of this goodness. I could lick that with a spoon. Now we're going to go ahead and put all the fruit on it, and using the strawberries and blueberries. And you can just make it pretty however you want. So I think I'm just going to go like round and about, so just kind of like circles. So really just do it how you want it and go from there. All right, so I've poured all the apple juice in, and we are just having it on a medium heat, and we are going to let that boil. And then once that boils, we'll go ahead and add the sugar and the cornstarch. So our apple juice is boiling pretty good right now, and we're just gonna go ahead and add in the sugar slowly. And we're gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes, or until it's just not really cloudy anymore, until it's like a clear yellowy glaze. Make sure you get it all. I'm just gonna stir it with the spoon so that I can make sure all the clumps of the cornstarch are out. And we're just gonna let this cook on the same heat for 2 minutes. So right now it is yellow, but I can feel it thickening, and I'm so excited because when this is finished, it's going to be like the gooeyest, yummiest sweet glaze. Look how amazing this looks. So we finally got to the consistency that I'm looking for. So I'm just kind of cooling this off by stirring it, and then using this rubber brush thingamabobber, I'm going to dip it in there and just zhuzh it all over the tart. Okay, so everything looks so good. I ended up having to switch to the spoon because this rubber thingamajigger was picking up all of the blueberries, and I really didn't want to do that. So I just kind of used my spoon and flattened it all out until Everything was nice and smooth. Uh-oh, that's okay. Chef's treat. To get the written recipe for this fruit tart, you can click the link below and it has all of the instructions with the perfect ingredients. And you can also add whatever fruit you want. So I hope you try this dish and I'll see you next time.